A team of researchers at AMAP has unveiled FLUX-Text, an innovative scene text editing method that blends the power of diffusion models with transformer architecture. The result? High-fidelity, multilingual text editing in complex visual scenes like posters, ads, memes, and beyond. Key features include precision editing. FLUX-Text can accurately edit and replace text in images while respecting layout, lighting, and perspective. Seamless style matching. The edited text blends naturally into the original visual style. No more mismatched fonts or awkward overlays. Multilingual capability. Whether it's Chinese, English, or other languages, FLUX-Text delivers consistent, high-quality results. Efficient performance. Thanks to a lightweight design, LoRA condition injection, and regional perceptual loss, the model achieves fast, resource-efficient editing. Two-stage training strategy. This approach significantly boosts both the model's generalization and the realism of its edits. Real-world applications are diverse. In scene text editing, FLUX-Text seamlessly replaces or refines text within photos or dynamic environments. For poster design, it allows easy customization of headlines or taglines, ideal for marketing or localization. In meme creation and social media, the tool enables quick, high-quality edits in multiple languages. And in multi-scenario comparisons, FLUX-Text consistently outperforms traditional tools in fidelity and style cohesion. Under the hood, FLUX-Text uses specialized glyph and text embedding modules with a regional perceptual loss function that fine-tunes visual harmony. Whether you're an advertiser, designer, or content creator, FLUX-Text sets a new standard in intelligent text editing, versatile, efficient, and stunningly accurate. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.